Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I know that you are under stress these days because your exams are approaching. I am going to teach you some exam skills today. What is revision and how you can study for the exams. Let's see what revision is. A second look, not a time to learn something new. You should have a plan. You should gather your resources. Resources, what do you have? Let's see. Number one is subject resources. Number two, personal resources. Subject resources means coursework, syllabus, past papers, copies, books, everything. What else? Number two, personal resources. Number A, other student in the course. Number B, lectures or academic advisors. Number C, family or friends. Number D, who else you can think about it. Where to begin? Brainstorm. Where do you feel most confident? Where do you feel most nervous? What did you leave out? So remind all that which chapters are good, prepared, they are well prepared, and where do you feel that there is some problem in the subject, and what are you leaving from the course. Active revision. Without active planned revision, we tend to forget over 80% of what we have learned within 3 weeks. So there should be active revision of all the course which you have learned. Timetable. Make sure you have figured out when your best times to study are. Are you morning person? Do you study better after meal? Do you need to exercise first? So see which time is good for your study and adopt that time. Okay. KWL. What do we know? What do we want to know? What have we learned? So remember about KWL. Some tips and tricks. SQP4, as for survey. Gather together your notes and do a journal review. Question. How do things connect? Reflective learning. Predict. What do you think will be on the exam? What format will the question take? So predict about the questions, that which question is more important and that will come, and prepare that question very well. Plan. What do you need to do to get ready? So keep all the things which you are going to take for the exam: pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, etc. Prepare. Gather everything you need in one place. Make an anxiety plan for the exam itself. Practice, revise, revise, and revise. How can you get study help? Mind webs, index cards, study groups, revision syndicates, study partnerships, active recall, timed writing. So how can you learn? Visual, auditory, kinesthetic skills, you know about them very well. Common pitfalls: leaving it until the last minute, reading through the same notes over and over again. So don't do it again. Don't leave anything for the last minute. Don't read one notes again and again. Writing out notes over and over again, and don't write it again and again. Writing out essays and learning them by heart. Procrastinating. Procrastinating, we have discussed in the last video that it is putting off until tomorrow or next day or next time. Can't force yourself to study. Panic, boredom, too many other priorities. Stopping too soon. So leave them too soon. Exam techniques that you can use to revise. Run law. Okay, run law is R for read, U for underline, N for number, L for list. So what you read, underline them, number them, and make a list. And then A for add details, and add details in this list. W and write it. So that's a very good exam technique. You can use it. I also used it. Further techniques: answer the easiest question first. Attempt every questions. Leave 10 minutes at the end to check your work. If you get stuck, move on. Often the answer will seem more obvious later and sometimes is found later in the exam. Key points: build relaxation time into your revision schedule. Fear is normal. Adrenaline can be useful. Get an early night. Make sure you have breakfast. Be on time. Make sure your exam kit is complete. Read the paper carefully. It's very important. Another key points: first 10 minutes, check instructions. Put your name or student roll number on the paper. Read the questions. Work out your panic strategies. After the exams, avoid the post-mortem, especially if you still have more exams. Make a note of anything you might need to look up before other exams. Celebrate, sleep well, eat well, and exercise. I hope that you will have understood how to go through with your exams, how to revise, what are exam skills and study skills. See you next time.